I have polygon. If I choose polygon, see the property manager for polygon. This is how to use polygon. I've chosen polygon right now. I can decide to come here and say, right now parameter is what, 6, which means this will form what? Here is chosen inscribed circle, which means there will be an inscribed circle inside of the polygon. If I come to the center point and draw, I'm going to be drawing a hexagon here. So we have 6 sides. That's the number 6. So you can increase it, you can reduce it. So it's increasing. So you see it's forming more, it's now forming more to a circle. So guys, you can make it circumscribed so the circle is outside. So that's how polygon works, guys. In the next video, guys, we shall be talking about ellipse.